You know, Halloween is just a few days away, and get this, dentists say on November 1st, the day after, the Halloween stash should be thrown out or at least controlled by an adult, so only one piece of candy gets eaten each day. Joining us to talk more about that is Dr. Porchia James, the owner of About Face Surgery in Frisco. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me.
I'm glad to have you here. Okay, so before we get into your background, all right, help us reassure some of our viewers here. What's your advice to those who love a little sweet treat?
I love a little sweet treat myself.
Me too.
What I will say is that when you are eating candy, especially sweet things, you want to make sure that you do it in moderation, number one. And for those trick-or-treaters out there, chocolate is actually better, especially dark chocolate, because it has lower sugar in it. And when you eat it, it melts in your mouth, so you flush it away when you swallow.
Okay, so dark chocolate is best, but is there anything that maybe we should stay away from?
Yeah.
What is that?
So sour things, sticky, chewy things, hard candies, those things linger in your mouth a little bit longer, cause the bacteria to eat the sugar, and so it turns into acid, and that eats away at the enamel, which is the white part of your teeth.
Okay, so just about everything else other than chocolate.
Yeah.
Sorry, guys. Okay, one day only, right? Creating a beautiful smile is something you're very passionate about. Tell us more about that.
So it's something that I live for. I've been in dentistry for a long time as an oral surgeon. You know, it's something that I'm invested in. I love it. I love to make people transition. I love to alter, and About Face, that's what we're all about. So creating beautiful smiles is what I love. And when you smile, when you have a big smile, don't you feel confident? Don't you feel happy?
You're right.
About yourself?
I do.
And so it's good for your mental health.
It really is. It really is. And you know, there are different types of dental implants out there as well. I know your work is extensive. Tell us more. Okay,
so dental implants are meant to replace missing teeth, missing tooth or missing teeth. So when we place a dental implant, as you see here, it is literally placed into the jawbone. So you need to see an oral surgeon for that. And so it's, like I said, that's an abutment that's going in, and then you have the crown, and we will work with your general dentist for these procedures. So life-altering thing. This is actually the gold standard of care for missing teeth.
Wow.
So when you have gone without teeth or been able to function, not able to chew, and all of a sudden we're able to place these implants, it's literally life-changing and life-altering.
I wanted to ask you, Dr. James, you know, I feel like it doesn't matter how old you are. It's never too late to, I guess, achieve the smile that you want.
Absolutely, absolutely. So a lot of times when people grow up, they may have had lack of access to dental care, or they may have anxiety. And so when you see someone like me, we're going to, if you want to be sedated, if you want to be asleep, we can do all of those things. And we can definitely help ease those anxieties that you have to be able to help you achieve the smile that you want to accomplish.
Makes sense. Before we go here, big initiative coming up that you're starting right before Veterans Day here.
Yes. I'm a veteran myself. I was in the Air Force Dental Corps, and my parents are both veterans as well. So we are doing an About Face Smiles campaign where we are selecting a deserving veteran for a oral reconstruction.
Wow.
All on 4 procedure that we're going to be doing on this person. So if it's someone that is a veteran, they don't have dental benefits, you know, that's something that I'm very passionate about as a veteran. So I want to be able to help and give back to the community.
All right. Oh my gosh, that's a big initiative.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, Dr. James. If you're interested in visiting About Face or just maybe learn more, please take a look at your screen here. Their office is located in Frisco, and you can check them out online at aboutfacesurgery.com. Dr. James.